The Shakahola cult deaths continue to unravel like a horror movie.
Tonight, we want to begin at the horror fields of Shakahola.
Terrorists use religion to advance their heinous acts. People like Mr. Mackenzie are using religion to do exactly the same thing.
Leo walikuwa wanaonyesha pathologist hizo grave sites.
The government of Kenya will do whatever it takes to make sure that we convict Mr. Mackenzie and all those who helped him perpetrate his heinous crimes, that they pay with the severest and most painful punishment available.